Today we will discuss about one JEE concept, greatest integer function and fractional part. So what is the greatest integer function? The greatest integer function, so nearest and smallest integer of x, that is floor x or step x. So GIF is the integral x, nearest or smallest integral of x. So other name is floor x or step x. Now here example, so integral 2.3. So integral part of 2.3 is 2. So integral point of 0.23 is 0. So integral part of 2.1 is 2. Now integral point of minus 2.3, that is minus 3. Now here integral part of minus 0.23 is minus 1. So integral part of minus 3.1, that is equal to minus 4. So these are the values. Now integral part of x is equal to n if n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1, n is integer. So here graphically we know that so here this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Now here 1, 2, 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here 1, here 2, here 3, here minus 1, minus 2, here minus 3. Now 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 in this part, so this is always 1. So here 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, the value is always 0. Here 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, here minus 1, so this is the minus 1, here minus 1. Here minus 2, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, so that is 2, here in this area is 2. So here 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, here this is 3, now in this here. Now here minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0, this is minus 1, here this is the minus 1. Now here the minus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, this is minus 2, here this is a minus 2. So minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, this is minus 3, this is here minus 3. So these are the steps. This is the step function. Now here n approach the value here. So this side it is n. So this side is n plus 1. Now here, now x integral x. That means 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 is 0. So 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, that is 1. 2 less than or equal to x less than 2, 3, that is 2. So here say properties of GIF. So properties. The first point is, so step x is equal to n if n less than x less than n plus 1. Now second point, if step x of x plus I, so integral part of x plus I is equal to integral part of x plus I. Now third one, so if integral part of pi of x greater than or equal to I, then so pi of x greater than or equal to I. So fourth case, if so integral part of pi of x so less than or equal to I, then so pi of x less than I plus 1. So fifth point here, integral part of minus x, that is equal to minus x if x belongs to integer. So here minus x is equal to, so minus 1 minus integral x if x is not equal to integer. So this is the most important. Now sixth point here integral x plus integral minus x that is equal to, say, two cases. One is 0, here x belongs to z. Another one is -1, x is not equal to z. This is also important point. Now one example, integral 2 plus integral -2. So integral 2 is 2, integral -2 is -3, that is -1. So one more example, so integral 2.1 plus integral -2.1, that is equal, integral 2.1 is 2, so integral -2.1 is -3, that is also -1. So this is the property. So integral f of x plus integral of minus f of x that is equal to -1. This is the most important. Integral sin x plus integral of minus sin x that is equal to -1. Here integral x plus integral minus x is equal to -1. So this is the most important case. Here second one is fractional part of x. Fractional part of x. It is denoted by, so this one, fractional part of x. Now here x is equal to integral x plus fractional part of x. Here integral x is equal to x minus fractional part of x. So this is the one more formula. Here this fractional part of x, that means x, if 0 less than x less than 1, so if 0, if x belongs to z, if 1 minus fractional part of x, if x is not belongs to z. So this is the fractional part of x. Now examples, fractional part of 1.3 is equal to 0.3. So fractional part of here minus 1.3 is equal to 1 minus 0.3, 0.7. Next to periodic function. Periodic functions. Now periodic functions, here integral x is a period of. So periodic function with period is 1. So second one, so integral part of x discontinued at every integer. Every integer. So third one, so integral part of x is continuous. So at a belongs to r minus z. So fourth one, so integral part of x by n. So integral part of x by n, so is discontinued. So of x belongs to n minus z. So fifth one, if xn is discontinued at x by n, n belongs to z. Now one example, limiting example, limit x tends to 2 minus integral x plus x. So now what is LHL or HL? Now here LHL. LHL is limit x tends to 2 minus. So here 2 minus, that means minus 2 minus h plus minus 2 minus plus h. So here that means, so integral part of minus 2 is minus 3. So here this value is h tends to 0. So here minus h value, this is minus 2. Now finally this answer is minus 5. This is LHL. Now RHL, now limit h tends to 2 plus. Here, so integral x plus x. Now this one minus 2 plus h, so plus minus 2 plus h. So that is equal to here integral part of minus 2 plus h minus 2, so that is minus 2, that is minus 4. So LHL is not equal to RHL, so does not exist. Does not exist. And that's very most important formulas. First, this is the most important formulas. First one, if integral 0 to n, integral part of x dx is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, or so integral part of 0 to n plus 1, so integral part of x dx is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So two formulas are same. Now here second, integral part of 0 to n, so fractional part of x, the value is n by 2. Now we know that where so fractional part of x is equal to x minus integral part of x. Now third one formula. So we know that already tell the formula. So integral f of x plus integral minus f of x, that is equal to minus 1. So fourth formula. So integral 0 to n plus 1, so integral part of x square dx. Now that is the formula sigma n square, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Now fifth formula, so integral 0 to n plus 1, integral part of x whole cube dx is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So sixth formula, so integral part of minus n to n plus 1, so integral part of minus 1 to n plus 1, integral x dx is equal to 0. So now here seventh point, so integral part of x is discontinue at so x belongs to z, that is 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2, so on. Now here eighth point, integral point of nx, so discontinue at x is equal to x belongs to n by 2, so that is 0 plus or minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 2 by 2 plus or minus 3 by 2 plus so on. Now here integral part of ninth one, integral part of minus a to b, so x square dx. So here integral part of minus a to 0 x square dx plus integral part of 0 to b, so x square dx, integral part of x square. That means here summation of a square plus summation of b minus 1 whole square. So this is the most important formula.